I was sitting here. You see me doing. Thought I had me heard a bird over that way. Started getting louder. Then he like worked his way this way, kind of towards off in the front over here. He was getting louder. I think he worked his way over that field. Eat this apple. Then I'm gonna go slip over that way. Check out there. Maybe he is. Maybe they are. If not, I'm gonna work my way down the property. Just call and see if I can get something to respond. Maybe make another setup. Who knows? Stay tuned.